Hi everyone, Kim here for Treasure Lee Kit Club. What I'm doing for you today is I'm going to do a two-pager in my art journal. Back in June and July of 2019, we did a little art journal series, and so for the start of the year, I figured it'd be nice to continue that. So for our Cards, Tag, and More kit, we got stuff to do the cover for our art journal. Mine is done already, so I can't show you. So some of the stuff that was in the kit I've already used on my cover for my art journal. This video may be going up before you see my art journal. If it goes up after, just ignore everything else. So what I'm going to show you is what I'm going to be working with from the original kit, which is the first kit. We got these cards, these wonderful journal prompt cards, and so I'm going to be working with these today. I already pulled one out that I want to use. Oops, I hit my light. So I'll read that to you in a minute. And this is also the inside art journal that we got to go with the kit too. I've got a couple of pages done. I want to try and get back to it for 2020. That's why I figured it'd be nice to start the year off with. If you don't have a lot of time to craft, doing an art journal, doing a couple of quick pages can kind of, you know, get you going, make you feel like you've got something accomplished. What I'll also be using now, this is from the current kit. I'll be using the Wonderlust washi tape. Now there's 3 tapes in here. One's got like a map theme on it. Oh, my hands are ashy. Sorry, I've been scrapping all day. The other one has got like some text on it. It looks like tickets. And then the next one has got some writing on it. It says first step, adventure, find your path. So this is all kind of like a travel theme. What I'll also be using from the January kit is this roll of burlap that we got from, this is by 49 Market, but this is in the kit as well. So just over a yard of burlap, so I'll be using some of this. Also in the kit, we got 3 watercolors to help decorate your cover. I already have them in a palette, so I'm going to be using my palette, but from here we got number 14. That goldenish, that mustardy color. We got number 18, which is a nice pretty green, and then we got number 24, which is a nice warm brown. So those are the 3 colors that I'll be using from this Tropicals palette. I won't be using anything else. I'm trying to stick to what we got in the kit. We also got this really pretty sheet of rice paper. And so I'm going to be using a piece of this as well in my art journal. So now that I've got everything that I'm going to be using, and then I just keep, you know, my stuff from my art journal in a little bin right here. This is some of the past stuff that we've gotten in the kit for your art journal. Some binders here, some clips here. We got some ink. We've got, like I said, it came with the 52 cards, plus we got a few other things. And there are maybe 1 or 2 of each of these kits left because this was broken down over 2 months. We got some sentiments. Oh, I meant to pull those out. I may want to use those. We've got this vintage photo booth of sticker collages. We've got a full set of stamps. I won't be using this one today. We've also got some, oh, where is it? Where is it? Some Nuvo paste that came with the kit, and a stencil, which as you can see has been used on one of my previous pages. So those are some of the things that have come in the past kit in case you're interested and you want to pick up all 3 of these. They are separate kits. Like I said, this is from June and July of 2019, and by the way, those are on sale for 40% off, so you may want to hop on over to the website at www.treasureleekits.com and snag those last couple of kits. I think there's maybe 1 or 2 left in the store. All right, so now we're going to move on and get started. there you have my quick little travel. Plan my next travels. Be bold. Mark your destination on the map. And that is it. And this has been Kim for Treasure Lee Kit Club. And this has been a project from our Cards, Tags, and More kit. Please go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you will be notified of all our other tutorials that come up. And again, don't forget to visit our website at www.treasureleekits.com. And if you're wondering, this is just a little metal iron I picked up at my local flea market. I use it to hold things down. Some of you have probably seen it in previous videos, so just figured I'd throw that out there in case anyone was interested. But again, thanks for hanging out with me tonight while I did this quick little art journal page. It's a new year. It's time to take some time for you, even if it's just 10-15 minutes to do an art journal page. And art journal pages are fun because there are no rules. You create to make yourself happy. You create to experiment. Or you just create to create if you've only got a few minutes. So again, check out our past kits with the art journals. That's June and July of 2019 on our website at www.treasureleekits.com. Those are on sale right now for 40% off. And this is our current art journal kit. Each piece piggybacks on the other, so you'll have plenty of stuff to create wonderful pages in your art journal. Again, thanks for stopping by. Bye.